How to fix Instagram request problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram request problem on Android phone. First, open Play Store and then make sure Play Store or App Store, just make sure your Instagram is updated and then click update here, and that's it. Now go to settings and then apps and apps again, and here type Instagram, click on it. Now click force stop and then go to storage, clear cache, and go to permissions, give it all of those permissions here. And if you have an iOS, just open your settings and then find general, click on it, and then click iPhone storage, and now just scroll until you find Instagram, click on it and click offload, and that's it. Don't forget like, and see you in the next video.